Make sure you're not overextending yourself, okay? If you need to wait for better, then do so. They chose the situation that they chose, so let them enjoy it, all right? Even if you have to be patient or figure out how something's going to progress or move forward, allow yourself to do so. Something may be bad news. Maybe this is related to your job, if you've been there for a while or if it's been stable. And you just have to see the positive about it. Maybe there's not a mother figure, or it's like a boss, a woman figure who's very manipulative and shallow, and it's just at the end, it is what's in. Okay, so you may have to let a job go. If this is not a job, you could be getting bad news about someone that you were dealing with. This could be a fire sign, an Aries, a Virgo, heavy on the fire sign, a Scorpio, or a Gemini. Maybe they're getting married or they're trying to have some type of stability and they're trying to create a new passion where they just accept who they are or who they're with. Maybe they feel like you're disloyal when it comes to relationships and or, choosing to be with them, and that breaks their heart. But they could be choosing to be with a Libra. But the Libra could be heartbroken. If this is not a Libra, it could be an Aquarius. They could be heartbroken right now and they're trying to be deceptive because they have to surrender and just kind of let things play out for the moment. So they low-key could be in their head. They could be trying to find or spying or seeing, if they truly left you alone or if, what's going to be going on with their finances. Okay. Somebody's going to be coming towards you, correct. This could be a fire sign or more specifically an Aries, or it could be another Pisces. They want to date you. They feel like you are very in tune with yourself, but they could have a burden or they could have a lot of responsibilities that's on them at the moment. All right. So make sure you are deciding and reflecting on exactly what you want when it comes to dating. Your bestie could definitely be a hater. All right. They like whenever you feel like you're unhappy or you're unsatisfied. They like to work with, oh, well, how you going to move? Or they try to collaborate with what you're trying to do forward and reduce it somehow. Okay. Get rid of this best friend. If this is not your best friend, this could be a Virgo, a Cancer best friend, or a Capricorn's best friend. Their best friend is a hater. They're going to have to move on. Something that's beyond their control or beyond yours, and it just is what it is. Somebody continued to lie when nobody was forcing them to do so. All right, who continued to lie? All right, this definitely could be an earth sign, a Leo, and or a Gemini. Okay, and you're wrapping this up. You're letting it go. You need to wrap it up if you sleep with them. You could be getting something cheaper than what you thought. The answer is yes, but it's just not going to happen the way that you think. Okay, even if you feel like you need some type of growth or stability, you need some type of new job. There is somebody that wants you. They could have a lot of emotions, or they could be needing to tame their emotions. You could be picking up a medication, especially if you're pregnant or this unexpected pregnancy. This is also given if you're terminating a pregnancy. You could be picking up some type of medication, but if you apply for some type of loan, it may get revoked or something may not go through, and that may make you a little stressed, but just kind of wait for better. Something's going to work out.